8th day of the series 30 days challenge, and today's question is, can I describe my hometown or any place I love in English? Yes, I can describe. Hello everyone, I'm going to take you to my beautiful hometown. It's a very beautiful place surrounded by green hills and peaceful streams. You will love walking around the old streets. You can find the peace, the cute cafe and the busy market and the friendly people out there. There are so many things to do, like enjoying nature or having street food, local food. You will love. I love so much having street food. I love to enjoy there. I love to spend my own time with the nature. I love. If you want peace and tranquility, please go your hometown, or you can come visit to my hometown. You are invited to visit your hometown. I always suggest you, please, once you should definitely visit your hometown. Please enjoy the nature of beauty. Please enjoy and spend a lot of time with the nature, with your grandparents. You love it. I love it so much.